Hello dear viewers, welcome to this tutorial on Excel's if condition. The if function is one of the most commonly used function in Excel and it's essential for anyone who wants to perform data analysis or automated repetitive tasks. In this video, we will go over how to use the if condition to make decision in your spreadsheet. The if condition in Excel allows you to test a value and return on result if the value meets a certain criteria and another result if it is does not. The syntax for the if function is as follows: equal if open bracket condition comma value if true comma value if false close bracket. So let's go over an example. Let's say you have a column with a list of grades and you want to classify them as either or pass or fail. To do this, you can use if condition like this: equal if select A2 cell equal or greater than 33, then comma pass comma fail close bracket. In this example, the condition is that the value in cell A2 must be greater than or equal to 33. If the condition is met, the result will be pass, and if it is not met, the result will be fail. But what if you want to test multiple conditions? That's where the nested if function come in. You can nest multiple if condition inside each other to create more complex decision. For example, equal if open bracket select A4 greater than or equal to 80 comma then A comma if open bracket select A4 greater than equal to 60 comma then B comma then C close bracket. In this example, the first condition test if the value in cell A4 is greater than or equal to 80. If it is, the result will be A. If it is not, the function will move on the next condition, which tests if the value is greater than or equal to 60. If that condition is met, the result will be B. If it is not, the result will be C. Let me explain the matter with some more example. Suppose there is a path in front of you. You are going through this path. Go ahead and see that this path is divided into two parts. One path number 9 and the other is number 10. If you go through path number 9, then you will meet a tiger. And if you go through number 10, then you will go to a house. How to do this logic? Let us create this logic too. Equal if open bracket select A9 equal 10 comma double quotation home double quotation comma if open bracket A9 is equal 9 then double quotation tiger double quotation comma double quotation close bracket close bracket. If cell A9 equal to 10, the path has gone to home. If A9 is equal to 9, then the path has gone to tiger. That's it for this tutorial on the if condition in Excel. As you can see, the if function is a powerful tool that can help you make decisions in your spreadsheet and automate repetitive tasks. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced Excel user, The if condition is definitely worth learning and mastering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.